Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how to export Airtable to Google Sheet. You can see a lot of tutorials show you how to export CSV file and link to the Google Sheet. But if you want to update something in Airtable, the change won't update automatically in Google Sheet. So in today's video, I will show you how to connect and link Airtable to Google Sheet without export many times. This video will be very quick and easy to understand, so hope you will watch to the end of the videos. You can see here I have an example project. The basic way to export to Google Sheet is click review right here, you download the CSV. After you're done, you open a new Google Sheet, you click import and then you click upload. You will choose the file that you download, import data. That is the quickest way to export data from Airtable to Google Sheet. But if you want to modify something on this table, like right now, I will change something like this, the Google Sheet will not automatically update. You need to re-export again. I will show you how to connect and link between Airtable and Google Sheet. First of all, you need to go to this website, it's csvgetter.com. You sign up for an account. Now you click the data, you need to connect to Airtable. I already connect my table here, so I will refresh connection. Now you need to grant the access here. Now you need to select a base. And then you select a table, you select a view, and then create. So when you're done this step, you can see if you update something in Airtable. When I come back to CSV Getter, I reload it. You can see CSV Getter automatically syncs with Airtable. Now to link to Google Sheet, you need to click the Google Sheet one right here. You need to connect to Google Drive. After you finish connection, you can create a new sheet and choose Save. You can view the sheet right here. Okay, now you can see the data from Airtable are export to Google Sheet. Now to update the data from Airtable to Google Sheet, you can choose the option here is Schedule. And then you click the update the sheet you already have. Now you can select the Google Sheet. Yeah, this one is the one you just exported. Now you can select how frequency you want to update. I will choose daily, email notification, I don't need it, and then you click Schedule. And now I just want to schedule the export, you click Confirm. And then by daily, when you update something, it will automatically sync to Google Sheet. The easier way you can do is you use Microsoft Excel. You can check my video how to link Airtable to Microsoft Excel right here. The pros when you're using Microsoft Excel is you can frequently synchronize the update from Airtable to Microsoft Excel. You can refresh every time you want, compared to Google Sheet that you only can update daily. Keep in mind that CSV Getter not totally free. You need to check out the price in their website. It's only $5 per month or $10 per month. It's pretty cheap, especially you don't need to re-export every time you need to update something in Airtable. Okay, that's all of my videos. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and a subscribe. Drop a comment below if you want to ask me something. I will see you in my next videos.